Hey, Tony from T-Perfume is here, and I have a question for you. Would you like to make super easy moisturizing face mask for summer just by 5 minutes? Well, in this video I will share with you the easiest moisturizing face mask recipe. Stay tuned. But before we continue, if it's the first time that you have been to my channel, I wanna encourage you to make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because I wanna make sure you will get every single video I put out regarding natural perfumes and cosmetic tips from T-Perfume. So, it's time to start making our easiest moisturizing face mask. And the main ingredient of this mask will be watermelon. We all know that watermelon includes more than 93% water, but also it includes a lot of antioxidants and minerals. And this is making watermelon one of the best moisturizing and hydrating fruits for skincare. The second and third ingredients are natural yogurt and honey. So, here are our three ingredients. The main ingredients are watermelon and 2 dessert spoons of honey. You can see honey here. Yes. And 2 dessert spoons of natural yogurt. So, watermelon, 1 cup of watermelon, 2 dessert spoons of honey, and 2 dessert spoons of natural yogurt. So we add them all together, and now it's very easy. We will just mix them all together. Now it's mixed, and I add this one a little container that I will put on refrigerator for at least it can stay till 4 or 5 days. But for this I will add to the cotton, and you can do it. It's a beautiful face mask. So now it's ready, and I can't believe it that I'm doing that before the camera, but I already added to my face this beautiful mask. Why not? Or also men need to refresh their face skin. But I hope that when you will put this mask on your face, I hope that you cleaned your face skin before this mask. And we are letting this mask for 20 minutes, and after we rinse out with hot water. But now, a little bit attention. You know, with this mask, we have one bad thing also. You can't believe it. It's such a tasty. Amazing. It's so tasty. I will drink it all of them. But when my lovely grandma, when she was 80 years old, I remember when I was this time very young and beautiful. Okay, now I'm just, you see, beautiful with my mask. I remember very well. She had amazing face skin, beautiful, white. Everything was just perfect. And I remember that her friends asking, what are you doing that you have such a beautiful skin? And she always told that it's just only main rule: you must moisturize, nourishing, and again moisturize your face skin. So, and this mask you can do so often as you want. I remember, and she told you, but you can add on your face skin only this kind of product what you are able to put in your mouth. So this is a wonderful drink and good for my face and good for my body. So remember, if you wanna use a natural product, be sure are you able to put that on your mouth, in your mouth. So this is a simple rule of natural products. So the 20 minutes is over. I rinse out the mask from my face, and so that's so easy it is. My face now is moisturized, and of course after the mask you can add the moisturizing cream. Which kind of cream? If you will subscribe my channel, very soon I will shoot the video how to make very good moisturizing cream for summer. Or you can visit our Facebook shop page and check out the T-Perfume natural products, natural day cream or night cream, moisturizing. They are all natural, eco and even vegan. And don't forget, let us know on comment section how it was your experiment with this wonderful mask. Have a nice day. Bye.